A new coronavirus variant first detected in the United Kingdom continues to travel across the world, with Canada and France becoming the latest in a growing list of countries to have confirmed cases of the fast-spreading strain. Now, health officials in Ontario have linked the Canadian cases to a couple with no known travel history. But elsewhere in the world, most of the infections were found in arrivals from Britain. French authorities tracked the positive case to a French citizen who had recently traveled to London, where the variant has been blamed for a surge in infections. They say he showed no symptoms and is isolating at home.
Bien, a fecha de hoy les puedo comunicar.
Health officials in Madrid also linked its patients to travel from Britain.
La importancia, como se ha comprobado ahora.
And the discovery in Japan prompted the country to close its borders to foreign nationals from Monday through the end of January.
The clinical severity is not worse, okay? But what is going to be a problem is that if the virus is spreading, even at the same degree of clinical severity, you get more cases that get infected and more cases that need hospitalization.
Another concerning variant has been identified in South Africa, where hospitals are scrambling to counter a tide of new infections. The country will mark its 1 millionth case in the week ahead.
1 million is heartbreaking for us.
The U.S. has not yet reported any cases of the British variant, but the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention will begin requiring a negative COVID-19 test for all passengers arriving from the UK. Truck drivers stranded at the British port of Dover must also show proof of a negative test in order to cross into France. Many spent a roadside Christmas sleeping in their trucks after the border was abruptly closed over fears of the mutated coronavirus. Today, more than 1,000 trucks remained at a standstill as officials work to test the remaining drivers. Canada has imposed a travel ban on all flights arriving from the UK until at least January 6 to stem the spread of this new strain. However, officials in Ontario are not surprised it's already arrived, saying it is not unexpected to have identified the new variant in the province. For City News, I'm Caryn Ceolin.